you want to go pro in football, this video is perfect for you. Instead of going through the motions like everyone else, you need to understand all the ways you can make it pro, which is exactly what we are teaching in this video. At number 1, we have the academy pathway. This means joining a professional club's youth academy, progressing through the ranks, and hopefully signing a contract with the first team if the club deems you ready. The next way is through college soccer. If the opportunity presents itself where you decide to stick to the academic pathway but still want to go pro, do your best to get recruited to a college or university football team. Many professional team scouts will attend high-level college games or combines, and if you stand out enough, you have a chance at getting scouted. The third way is through local or amateur clubs. If you're lucky enough to have a club near you and you're of the right age, it's likely you can reach out and show your interest, which hopefully would lead to some sort of tryout. Once on the team, all you need to do is impress scouts that attend your matches. At number 4, we have attending trials and open tryouts. Attend open tryouts held by professional or semi-professional teams and impress coaches and scouts to earn a contract or further opportunities. Number 5, you can attend combines and showcases. Participate in events designed to connect players with scouts, agents, and coaches. Showcase what makes you stand out and hope the right opportunity falls in your lap. Next, you can be a part of independent academies that are focused on player development and exposure. You can use their networks and connections to access tryouts or direct recommendations. At number 7, you can work with agents and scouting networks. When you work with a football agent or scouting network, you get access to their connections, and it makes the process of finding opportunities much easier as they handle most of the work on their end. Number 8 involves playing in low-tier professional leagues. Considering the level isn't as high, it's much more realistic for aspiring pros. You get put in a professional environment and learn the ins and outs of how a club works and potentially get scouted from that club. At number 9, we have social media and highlight reels. If you're able to get footage of matches, we highly advise creating some sort of highlight reel and posting it on social media platforms. This can capture attention from scouts and also increase your network. Next on the list is looking at overseas opportunities. Try out for teams or academies abroad in countries with a strong soccer culture. You can gain experience in competitive environments and potentially get transferred to higher leagues. Number 11 is representing your national team, not just the first team, but at the youth level. While very difficult, securing a spot on the national team will also open you up to professional opportunities. And at number 12, you can play in professional development leagues like MLS Next Pro, USL League 2, or NPSL. Use these leagues as stepping stones to bigger opportunities. And finally, networking and personal connections. Build relationships with players, coaches, or scouts and leverage those connections for tryouts or recommendations. If your goal is to play at the professional level, we hope this video has helped. If you're interested in joining our academy, where we give you the most optimized training routines, mental masterclasses, specifically designed nutrition plans for footballers, and ways to get scouted to make it to the pro level. And every month we will be adding new programs with new resources to get you to the pro level. This way, you don't have to waste time trying to find the right content amongst dozens of hours of useless information online, and you can just implement what is taught in our all-in-one academy. If you're interested, you can click the first link in our description, and we hope to see you there. To take immediate action, comment down below "I will go pro" and subscribe to our channel as we put out videos like this all the time. Stay locked in.